My name is Craig Harris, and this is my Project 2 video for CS 457, the noisy elliptical dots. Alright, so UAD continue to be used correctly. You can see that as I change this, the ovals change. Let me get that back there. And UBD does the same thing in the vertical direction. At a nice spot. Okay. U tolerance continues to be used correctly, so this softens the edges still. Correct changes in noise amplitude. Alright, so we have the frequency, the noise frequency set to 1. And if I bump up the amplitude, we start getting a little noise added. And the further I go, I get more and more noise. You can't even tell they're ellipses anymore. If I put that somewhere in the middle. Correct changes in noise frequency. There we go, you start getting some repetitions in noise. Okay, show correct changes in use XYZ for noise. So let me just put this back to around 1. And this here. And then so we're going to clip the larger sphere so that you can see both of them. Now, so this is using the SMTs to generate the noise values. And as you can see, like right here, since both spheres have the same SMTs, they should have the same pattern, and that's true. We have this little blob here and here. There's a smaller dot there, small dot there, and this big blob. You can see it start there. Little dot, two dots, this thing. Super small dot. Okay. Now, if we use XYZs for noise, since the smaller sphere and the larger sphere obviously have different XYZs for their vertices, the pattern should be different. Now the noise changed, the pattern has changed, but it's different for each sphere. So we have these 3 dots here and a 4th one up there. Nothing like that on this one. There's a huge blob right there. No huge blob right there. Small one has this thin thing. That doesn't show up on the larger sphere. Okay, so that hits the requirements. I guess I'll show that this still works. This still works. This works in the XYZ. Okay, and then I just did some fun stuff. So this locking pattern to the screen doesn't quite work because I'm using the XYZs, but then I'm still keying off the S and T's. So I think there's something going on there. So you get like a slight variation with the noise. Like if I turn the noise all the way to 0, sorry, the pattern, it should say like lock noise to screen. But yeah, it's not totally working. You still get something kind of cool. There's the difference there. And then I added a displacement. Oh, it's showing that here. Kind of cool. Alright. Thank you.